Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 1 application of matrices and determinants, exercise 1.6, question number 2, solve by rank method. You want to discuss the value of k. We have kx minus 2y plus z equal to 1, x minus 2ky plus z equal to minus 2 and x minus 2y plus kz equal to 1. So in this case you want to discuss the value of k with different cases, no solution, unique solution, infinitely many solution. Let us begin the problem with the matrix equation. The matrix equation is, write all the coefficient x, y, z in order. K minus 2, 1. From here 1 minus 2k, 1. 1 minus 2 plus k into x, y, z. It will be equal to 1 minus 2, 1. This is Ax equal to B. Augmented matrix is, write together A and B, which is equal to K minus 2, 1, 1 minus 2K, 1 minus 2. Finally 1 minus 2K, 1. Got it? So very first step, I need 1 in the first row, first column, that is A11 as 1. Somewhat very comfortable to proceed the problem. I'll interchange R1 and R2. So 1 minus 2k, 1 minus 2. I am interchanging R1 and R2. Then second row become as first row k minus 2, 1, 1. And third row as it is. Got it? Here I interchange R1 and R2 to bring A11 as 1. Now to bring 0 here and here, by using elementary operation, I will use R1. Leave the first row as it is, 1 minus 2k, 1 minus 2. Got it? 1 minus 2k, 1 minus 2. Leave the first row as it is. For the bringing 0 here, just multiply k in R1, subtract. R2 implies R2 minus k times R1. See, I have same sign, I will subtract. I have k here, just multiply k. R3 implies R3 minus R1, because same number 1 and 1 directly I can subtract. K minus k, 0. This is minus 2. When you multiply minus k, it becomes 2k square. See, minus k. Minus k into minus 2k plus 2k square minus 2. 2k square minus 2. Then 1 minus k. I will multiply minus k, so 1 minus k. I will multiply minus k, it will be plus 2k. 1 plus 2k. Next 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 2, when you subtract here, it will become plus 2k. 2k minus 2. This is minus, so minus into minus plus, 2k minus 2. It will be k minus 1. It will be 1 minus into minus plus, so 1 plus 2, 3. See, 1 minus 2k, 1 minus 2. 0. I will take 2 common. It will be k square minus 1. I will write k plus 1, k minus 1. This is 1 minus k. This is 1 plus 2k. 0. 2 into k minus 1. This is k minus 1. This is 3. Very simple. I am getting 0 here and here. What I am doing here? I will take 2 common. I have here 2k square minus 2. I will take 2 common, it will be k square minus 1. When you take 2 common, it will be k square minus 1. I can write this as a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So in this case, this 2k square minus 2 can be written as 2 times k plus 1 into k minus 1. And remaining as it is. Here I am taking 2 as common, k minus 1. Next I want to bring 0 here by using R2. Leave the first row. Leave the second row. R3 implies I have 2 here, here also 2. I have k minus 1, here also k minus 1. I have k plus 1 here, but here no k plus 1. I will multiply k plus 1 in R3. I will subtract with R2. Very simple, I need 0 here. By using R2, I want to bring 0 here. So when you see these two, I have k plus 1 additionally here, but no k plus 1. I will multiply k plus 1 in R3, subtract. Then you will get 0 here. See, I'll do the operation. K plus 1 R3. 0 times K plus 1, 0. K plus 1, 2 into K minus 1, K plus 1. And here K minus 1 into K plus 1. And here 3 times K plus 1. When you subtract here, 0 minus 2 times K plus 1, K minus 1. This is minus of 1 minus K. Minus of, that is K minus 1. When you multiply minus 1 plus K. Minus 1 plus K. When you multiply minus of 1 plus 2K. I can write like this also. Got it? So, minus R2 become like this. When you simplify 0, cancel everything. 0. It will be this is K square minus 1. K square minus 1. And this is plus K. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. See, K plus 1 into K minus 1 is K square minus 1. So, K square plus K minus 1 minus 2. This is 3K plus 3. Multiply 3K plus 3. It will be minus 1 minus 2K. 3K minus 2K, 1K. 3 minus 1, 2. Let me explain again. Very simple. I will multiply K plus 1 in R3. When you subtract, these two will be same. It gives 0. So, I multiply K plus 1 in R3. See, I did. Okay. Next, I will subtract. This gives 0, this gives 0. When you multiply these two, it will be K square minus 1. If this is K minus 1, simplify K square plus K minus 1 minus 2. Here, 3 into K, 3K. 3 ones are 3. Here, minus 1 minus 2K. 3K minus 2K, K. 3 minus 1, 2. Got it? So, I can write my third row as 0. 0, it will be K square plus K minus 2. I can factorize this one, K plus 2, K minus 1. So, I can write this one as, when you factorize, K plus 2 into K minus 1. So, I will write this one as K plus 2, K minus 1. Got it? And this is K plus 2. Is it clear? This is 0, this is 0. When you factorize K plus 2, K minus 1, this is K plus 2. It is in echelon form. We want to discuss the value of K. Case 1. Make a note, very very important. Case 1. If this position, this third row, third column, this position is not equal to 0, it gives the rank of A, B and A as 3. So in this case, see, if this position, third row, third column, this element is not equal to 0, that is A33, third row, third column is not equal to 0. If this element is not equal to 0, the rank of A, B and the rank of A are equal to number of variable in this case. So, if K not equal to minus 2 and 1, this becomes 0. When you put minus 2, it becomes 0. When you put 1, it becomes 0. So, you can take any value of K except minus 2 and 1. In this case, when this is not equal to 0, the rank of A, B and rank of A are non-zero, non-zero, non-zero. So, it gives 3, again 3. So, the rank of A, B and the rank of A are equal to number of variables, system consistent, unique solution. So, in this case, K not equal to minus 2 and not equal to 1, this one won't be 0. So, this will be 0 only K equal to minus 2 and 1. When you avoid these two values, this one not equal to 0. So, in this case, the rank of A, B and the rank of A are equal to 3, which is equal to number of unknown. So, system consistent, solution will be unique. Got it? For my case 1, K not equal to minus 2 and 1, this one is not equal to 0. When A33 not equal to 0, the rank of A, B and the rank of A are equal to 3, number of unknowns, system consistent, unique solution. Got it? Case 2. If K equal to 1, what will happen? If K equal to 1, this will be 0 and this will be 3. So, if K equal to 1, what happen? This augmented matrix A, B will be See, when k equal to 1, k equal to 1 is a particular value, I can show the matrix. If it is a general value, I cannot show the matrix. For particular value, I can show the matrix. If I am taking k equal to 1, what happens? 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. And this is 0. For 1, this will be, the entire term will be 0. This will be 0. And this is 3. 0, 0. This is 0. 0, 0, and this will be 3. See, in this case, k equal to 1, I am getting these two rows are proportional. So, when you subtract, this will be 0. So, see here, if I am giving k equal to 1, k equal to 1 is a particular value, so I can substitute here. It become 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. This is 0, and 1 minus 1 0, the product will be 0, and 1 minus 1 0, 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, and this is 0, and this the product will be 0 when you substitute 1 here, 0, 1 plus 2 3. So in this case, two rows are proportional, 0 0 0 3, 0 0 0 3. So I can continue. I can write R3 as R3 minus R2. 0, 0, 0, 3 minus 3 gives 0. So in this case, the rank of A comma B will be 1, 2. The rank of A comma B will be 2. And the rank of A is 1. So these two are not equal. Rank of A comma B is 1, 2. And rank of A, only for first three columns, it gives rank 1. So these two are not equal. System inconsistent. Inconsistent. Solution will be no. The word inconsistent will come only in case of no solution. So system inconsistent. Solution no. Got it? And the third case will be case 3. We discuss unique solution, we discuss no solution, then infinitely many solution. For infinitely many solution, a complete row will be vanish. Okay, I will take k equal to minus 2. If k equal to minus 2, what happen? I am taking a particular value. See here what happen? A comma b together, it will be 1. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, and this is 1 and this is minus 2. First row. Got it? Here 0, minus 2. So what is this? Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. 3 2s are 6. Got it? When you substitute minus 2 here, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Okay. And this is into 2. And minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So the product gives 6. 1 minus 2 into minus plus 2. Plus 2 plus 1, 3. And this is minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3. I will substitute here 0, 0. No problem. And minus 2 means this will be 0 and this will be 0. So when you substitute k equal to minus 2 in A comma B in echelon form, I am getting 1, 4, 1 minus 2. 6, 0, 6, 3 and minus 3. 0, 0, 0 and 0. See, in this case, the rank of A comma B is 1, 2 and the rank of A is also 2. See, after substituting k equal to minus 2, I am getting number of non-zero rows in A comma B is 1, 2 and this is completely 0. So, only 2 rank. For first three columns, it shows 1, 2 non-zero rows, last row completely vanished. So, in this case, the rank of A comma B, rank of A are equal to 2 less than 3. That is number of unknowns. So, system is consistent. So, in this case, I don't have a space, I will write here. Please try to understand. Case 3, k equal to minus 2. I have A comma B like this. The rank of A comma B will be the rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal to 2 less than 3. So, in this case, please, system consistent, solution infinitely many. So case 3, if k equal to minus 2, I am getting rank of a comma b equal to rank of a equal to 2, which is less than 3, that is number of unknown, system consistent, solution infinitely many. So in this case we discuss the value of k in 3 different cases. Very first step, let us begin the problem by rank method. They said that's why the matrix equation Ax equal to b, augmented matrix, I got echelon form. But the matrix which is in terms of k, so I cannot find the rank directly. Respective value of k we may discuss. So in this case it is an echelon form. Case 1, when this position is not equal to 0, I mean A33 not equal to 0, in this case the rank of a comma b and the rank of a are equal to number of unknowns, system consistent, unique solution. And when you substitute k equal to 1, particularly what happened, here the rank will be different. So see, I am getting 0 here, I am not getting 0 here. So when you substitute k as 1, but even when you particularly substitute k equal to 1, I am getting like this, but I have 2 rows which are in identical. So when you subtract further, the rank of a comma b will be 1, 2, and the rank of a for the first 3 column it shows rank 1. So anyway the rank of a comma b and the rank of a are not equal, system inconsistent, solution no. Case 3, if k equal to minus 2, when you substitute I am getting a comma b 1 4 1 minus 2 0 6 3 minus 3 0 0 0. It is in echelon form of course, no problem, but any two rows are identical or proportional, it will be a question mark. So nothing will be like that. So the rank of a comma b and the rank of a, when you see here 2, but less than number of unknown, system consistent, solution infinitely many. Is it clear?